this channel, can you smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, videos will be notified. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the whole process on what is Nairaworkers and how does this platform actually work and how you can make money on this website. So I'm gonna walk you through the whole process from the beginning to the end so that you'll be able to understand what this platform is all about and how to work your way around it and be able to make money from this website. So literally this website is basically for small gig, just like a micro tax and get good or big results. So you can see it's a crowd sourcing platform for individual and business owners. So if you scroll down, you're gonna see that there is a two option where you can be a business owner or freelancer where you can take survey on this website, write an honest review, test an app, follow on social media, and be able to make money on this website. While also, if you're a business owner, you're interested in getting people to sign up on your website, promote your content, install mobile apps. Probably you have a mobile apps you want people to install, subscribe to YouTube channel, ask people to subscribe to your social media platform, ask people to take a survey on your app or website, ask people to drop a review or honest review about a product or anything. So you can just jump down to Nairaworkers and be able to hire people to jump on it for you, and then you can get a good result while you pay them some money. So either of the two, you're gonna be able to understand how this platform works, either you're a freelancer or a business owner. So you can see through our marketplace, clients can hire freelancers to do work in areas such as promoting on social network, writing, testing website, data entry, downloading, searching, installation, and testing mobile app, right through to watching YouTube videos and taking surveys. To grow your business and make money online in Nigeria has never been easier. So following this website, you're gonna be able to get it easier. Just I think that's what it should be. So how small gig work, you can see this is the inside of the platform. I'm gonna walk you through so you don't have anything to worry about. Walk you through the whole process so you can see how it works and see the inside in a live video just like this. So you can see these are the available videos, how it looks like. Visit our website and sign up, like and retweet my pin tweet, watch YouTube video for 2 minutes and subscribe to my channel so you can see what you will be able to make on each of these tags if you complete them on Nairaworkers platform. And if you're a freelancer, all you just need to do is just select the job you like, explore requirement tags, then deliver the work and get paid. Just three simple steps. And we're gonna see the inside if truly is three simple steps in order to make money on Nairaworker or not. You can see the start now button, and also let's walk through the whole website before we proceed on to the inside and see how it works. So you can also see the referral program. So why you should consider our referral program. So for each deposit employer make, you will earn a reward of 5%, and for each tax member in your downline finish, you will earn 5% or so. So we urge you to subscribe or sign up to our referral link using the link in the description of this video below so that we can also earn some reward for making or putting out this video just for you to be able to make money online. And if you don't want to use our link as well, you can jump down to nairaworkers.com and then you can sign up and start making money. Either of the way, it's actually work. But just note that this will definitely help us if you use our referral link using the link in the description of this video below. So with that being said, I'll click on start now, and also I can click on register here. And if you don't want to click on that either, you can also click on start here, or you can click on start here. So anywhere you click, it will definitely take you to the same page. So the next thing for you to do is just click on the register, and on this register page you're gonna fill in your details, which is very, very important. So you can see fill in your last name, first name, username, and email address, then referral option. So on this referral option, you can also use our name, which is Two Guys Finance. But if you also follow the referral link, it will also work the same way. But I advise you just put our referral link, which is Two Guys Finance. Then you input your password here. So I'm gonna put in all these details here now. Okay, so they just send me a notification through the email. So I'm gonna check that now and see the email. So there is the email. So the code is 314. So let me check where I should put the code. Okay, yeah. So you're gonna put the code here, then click on activate account. So let's see the inside of Nairaworkers and how it looks like. So I'm waiting for this page to work. Okay, so they also send me a registration bonus received. I just got that in my email. So let me click on this, which is enter dashboard. Accounts creation successful. So you can say welcome to Guys Finance. I have many random workers, perform tasks and small tasks. So for you to perform tasks to be able to make money, you're gonna click on this particular one. And if you're interested in hiring people on this website, you're gonna click on hire many random workers. So but then we just want to make money on this website, which of course we're gonna click on this. Let me open this in another tab because I also want to walk people through how to hire people on Nairaworkers as well. So let me click on this. So this is the inside of Nairaworkers and how you can apply for jobs. So you can see these are the available tags. So you can also navigate to the high paying one if that is what you want. So let me click on that. So you can see some high paying tags on Nairaworkers. So wow, this is actually amazing. So you can see the high paying tags 355 naira, 320 naira, 300 naira, and this another one 296 naira, 265 naira, and then this another one 240, 230, 223. There are a lot of tags. This is amazing. There are a lot of tags on this website. And if you also want to check on the most recent tags, you can also just click on the most recent one, and then it will take you to the most recent tags you can actually complete. So you can say 12 naira, 14 naira, 35 naira, WhatsApp TV join. So 223 naira, 29, 200 naira. So I'm gonna click on one particular tag so you can see how it looks like. But then I'm not gonna join any of these ones. So this number means this share to three WhatsApp group. This means this person needs 64 people, but then 34 people have already applied for the job. So you can see 34 over 60, 64. This another one, 6 over 25. Sign up on Palmpay for instant payment. So this another one, 3 over 25 people. So you can see these different ideas that people are using to make money. So it all depends on what exactly you want to do. So let me go through the wallet balance option. So for this wallet option, that means you're gonna be able to see how much you have in your wallet and how much you want to withdraw. And I think this is almost everything you actually need to. Okay, I want to click on one particular job. So let me click on this one, which is 14 naira. WhatsApp TV join Nata Nathan Planet now. Okay, let me click on this view job. So let me see how it looks like. Okay, so this is the details. Share this to your status and click the link. You can see that's how you guys will just be missing out uh on the funniest memes, craziest movie update and all that. So this is basically what this person is doing. So you can see this is the WhatsApp link. So you're gonna just click on it and then join the WhatsApp group. So you can see the requirement to provide a proof about the job. So say click the link and save their contact. Uh please do not block them and do not do what they tell you. Okay, please do not mention Nairaworkers to them or else I will not pay you. Submit to screenshot the screenshot and your phone number and submit one screenshot uh that you post it on your status. So they need two screenshots from you. So this is how it looks like. So you're gonna provide the first proof, second proof, and third proof. I think they ask for three proof, which is saving the contact. Then another one, do not mention about Naira workers and the likes. Then you're gonna provide every proof that you already do that particular task. So with that, they'll be able to pay you this money. So they'll be able to pay you 14 naira for that. And you can join or complete another task after you are done with that particular one. So you're gonna click on any other one that you know that you just want to do. So this is quite very easier task on to make money on a daily basis. Another task, which of course, if you are a business owner, you just want to hire people on Nairaworkers. So you just need to just click on this hire many random workers. And from here, you can select what kind of category does your task belong to. Probably you want people to sign up on your offer. You want them to follow, like, comment, or your task is regarding Instagram. And if your task is regarding WhatsApp or Telegram, you can just click on this one. Then you select the best one. So you see Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Scroll down, you also see another one: survey, mobile application, write an honest review about a product. This is another one which is forum. So you can see how it looks like. So once you select any of the category, you're gonna uh, click I'll choose the option. So let me see, subscribe to channel. You can see if this it's subscribe to channel. So you can see you can change the number of people. Minimum is 25 people. Let's say I want to hire 500 people to subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna be paying uh 18 naira to each of these people. So calculate the total cost. So the total cost will be 9,730 naira a month available work fund. So I have to fund it my account so that they'll be able to charge me to be able to post that particular job. So I'm gonna put everything here. So when should be done, how fast you want the job to be done, and proof of work to be completed. So you're gonna put in everything. Then you're gonna click on the post job. So your job must pay at least 20 naira per task. So I think people that will be applying for this job are going to be earning 20 naira per task. So I'm gonna say how much you'll be spending to hire people, or to hire 500 people to subscribe to your channel. So that is how it works. And I guess this is our real people that are gonna subscribe to your channel. So and you can also see some other features which are very much reliable if you use this website to offer um to kickstart your business, or hire people on this website to help you sign up or complete some tasks. And if you also want to be able to make money as a freelancer, you can also jump down to Nairaworkers and be able to make money. So if you have any other question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to provide a valuable response to your message. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace.